drivers in.
Yeah, let him get his bearings. Yeah. Oh, yeah. He told somebody he was number one. That was correct.
I think they should exchange insurance information. Find out who he's mad at, Kitty.
It's Jared. Jared's his first name.
Jared, I'll tell you what, first off, most importantly, everybody watching at home, watching the grandstands, you all right?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm just really pissed that somebody decides to pass me clean. They got to drive through me, and this is what we end up with. So that was not fun hanging upside down for that one. I'll tell you that.